Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to see liked post on Instagram. This way you can review all the photos and videos that you had liked on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, this is a new update from Instagram. So first make sure to update your Instagram app on your device in order to get all the latest updates. Now open Instagram app on your device. To access profile page, tap on profile icon located at the bottom right corner. On profile page, tap on hamburger menu icon which is horizontal 3 lines located at the top right side. From the available options, tap on your activity. Now tap on interactions option. On the next screen, tap on likes. And here you will be able to see all the photos and videos that you had liked. In case you wish to remove like from certain post, then just open that post and tap on heart icon to remove like from that post. So that is how you can see liked post on Instagram. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.